Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is part of a training playlist which is in the description. So from previous training we had this data which is now increased up to 618 rows. This is a sample data, and now you can see that this formatting is not there because these are new rows inserted. Now we want to apply this formatting to all of these rows. So what we can do is we go to right till all the columns where we want to do the dollar formatting. I'll do a control space. We'll go to this one here and dollar. Now let's copy paste this formula. If you have a certain data on right or left of a column, like in this case, then you can either drag this down or copy paste as we did in previous videos, or we can simply double click and this will go down till the end of right or left last row till where we have data. So I just double clicked and this went down. There is another thing I want to show you. While I'm here looking at this row number 618, I cannot see what is this, or maybe what is this, or this, because the first row here is not visible, which was the headers. Now let's go back to the top, Control Home, or Hotkey, and we want this row to be appearing even if we scroll down to the bottom. If you want to do that, then you have to go to View tab and go for Freeze Pane. But first you have to select what you want to freeze. You can click here in A2. It means that anything above this, above A2, will be freezed once you click here and freeze pane. You can also do by simply freeze top row or freeze first column. But if you just do freeze panes, then it will be doing according to your current selection. In this case, it will freeze the top row. If now I scroll down, you can see first row is frozen and you can see it even if you are at the bottom of the table. Now let's go to the top and show you another thing. If you want to unfreeze the pane, then you simply unfreeze. Now you see this is moving. Let's say I also want to view country column, A column. Then I will click here. Now it is B2. So anything above or left of this selection will be frozen. For example, if I freeze pane now, if I go down, this is frozen. And now if I go to the right, then this first column is also frozen. Now I'm unfreezing and just freezing the top row because that's what we want. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Excel tutorials. Again, this video is part of a full training. You can find the link in the description and save the playlist or bookmark. I'll see you soon in next video.